Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Freshsales to upload leads and qualify leads, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Freshsales login URL. Press enter to navigate to the login page. Locate the email input field. Enter your registered email address. Move to the password input field. Type in your password. Double-check both your email and password for accuracy. Click the Login button. Wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're logged in, look for the Leads tab. Click on the Leads tab to access your leads database. To upload new leads, find the Import option. Click on Import to start the upload process. Choose the file format that your leads are in, such as CSV. Select the file by clicking on the Choose File button. Navigate to the location where your file is saved. Select the correct file and click Open. Review the mapping of your fields to ensure they are correctly aligned. Make any necessary adjustments if prompted. Once everything is mapped correctly, click the Import button. Wait for the upload process to complete. You will receive a notification once the leads are successfully uploaded. To qualify leads, navigate back to the Leads tab. Look for the leads that need qualification. Click on a lead to open its details. Review the lead information thoroughly. Determine if the lead meets your qualification criteria. Utilize the Add Note feature for any comments on the lead. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.